Mantiques Network, this is the final and third installation of our 1950s Autolite manufacturing dealership photos. Autolite made everything from spark plugs to light bulbs for the different manufacturers. So what they did was they showed the different models by staging these photos that were probably shown in their corporate headquarters and or dealerships. So what we have here is the Dodge offering, DeSoto's, and everyone's favorite Packards. So if you're into vintage dealership advertising and advertising in general, this be for you.
This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.